That's in the dark. You're shadowy in the dark, which is okay. That's okay. There we go. Now you're backlit by the sun. That's good. I'm going to get the name of this piece, and then I'm going in. Envelope. Whoop.
What are they doing?
Oh, it looks good on you though. Gracious me. Gracious me. Gracious me. Okay.
What's